Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to make some chicken wings. The first pack of chicken wings I have is 2.27 pounds. And the next one I have is 2.27 pounds. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare these by marinating them overnight. I'm going to go ahead and wash these, and then I'm going to decide on what seasoning I'm going to place on them. I'm going to start on the ingredients for the Jamaican jerk chicken. I'm going to use 1 large onion, 4 medium scallions, 2 Scotch bonnets, chilies, 3 garlic cloves, 1.5 teaspoons of 5-spice powder, 1 tablespoon of allspice, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So first we're going to put all our vegetables in our Ninja. So let's get started. Adding the onion, just cutting it up a little bit because the blender will take care of the rest of it. I added the 3 cloves of garlic in there. Got 4 scallions or green onions. Some people call it green onions. I'm gonna go ahead and wash these and add them to the Ninja. I added 1.5 tablespoon of 5-spice powder. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of allspice. I have to grind the whole allspice, so let me do that now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pour it in the Ninja here. Okay, now I need 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Add in 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Add in 1 tablespoon of dried thyme. Add in 1 teaspoon of nutmeg in here. That's a 1/2 teaspoon I'm using, so if I add 1 more, that'll make 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of cloves. That's 1/2 teaspoon, and that's a teaspoon of cloves. I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of sea salt. 1, 2, and a half. That's 1.5. I'm using a 1/2 teaspoon. Add 1/2 cup of soy sauce. That's a 1/2 cup of soy sauce. And I'm going to add a 1/2 pack of stevia. 1/2 pack of stevia. It's a 1/2 cup of white vinegar. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. 1, 2. All right, I'm gonna blend up everything. I'm blending up everything. I'm gonna place everything in the blender. I'm gonna place everything in a bag. I'm hoping I can fit all this chicken in one bag. If not, I will have 2 bags. I'm gonna taste the sauce. It's very good. I was able to place all of the chicken wings in one large bag. So now I'm gonna pour the marinade over the chicken. And then I'm gonna massage it in the bag with the chicken. Zip it up a little bit. Just kind of massage it in all over the chicken. I'm gonna bake this chicken in the oven. It looks good. See how it looks? And I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the refrigerator. I just placed my jerk chicken in the oven. So I got it on 425 degrees for 60 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm gonna flip the chicken because there's a lot of chicken on this pan. This is a delicious jerk chicken. You know, I've been to Jamaica many times and this tastes authentic. I mean, it's a great recipe. You have to try it. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Bettye's Cooking Channel. Have a great day. Thank you.